If you want to know what will happen with Tesla stock in the future and why you might want to invest in it now, watch this video. We'll talk about why the price of Tesla stock has been going up and down even though the company has had record sales and why this is a once-in-a-generation chance for investors. We talked about some things that make Tesla likely to rule the market in the next 5 to 10 years, such as the release of the fully autonomous Cybertruck and the growth of the company's Gigafactory. We're going to talk about the future of Tesla and why we think it could become more valuable than Apple. But before we start, let me make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget the notification button so you always know when we post something new. In the last few weeks, people have been buying as much Tesla stock as they can, and I'm excited about it. With prices around $180 per share, it's a no-brainer to go all in, but why is Tesla stock important? Why is Tesla stock price down when its sales are through the roof? That's the question we'll answer in this video. Sure, Tesla stock price has taken a hit due to the Twitter scandal, but I see it as a blessing in disguise. It's created new opportunities, and Tesla's projected to see over 100 earnings this year. Despite all the challenges they've faced, including supply chain issues and shutdowns in Shanghai, I'm sure Tesla will rise to the top. So let's dive in and see why I believe Tesla's future is looking brighter than ever. Have you ever come across something that just doesn't make sense? Well, that's exactly what's happening with Tesla stock right now. It's down 50 to 60 from its peak point, which is absurd, but don't worry, that's why we have a bear market to help us. We make sense of these things, and despite the Twitter scandal causing the stock price to drop, I see it as a net positive because it creates new opportunities. I'm so excited and sure that Tesla will rule the market in the next 5 to 10 years, that I think it will surpass Apple as the most valuable company in the world before the end of this decade. And let me tell you why I have such high hopes for Tesla's future, even with all the problems it's had, like supply problems and factory shutdowns in Shanghai. Tesla expects to make more than $100 million this year. So hold on tight, because I'm about to take you to 2024, when Tesla's net profit is expected to grow by more than 100%. People are also asking when you think the stock price will finally bottom out. The importance of historical charts. Have you ever tried to guess what's inside a bottle that doesn't have a label? It's like that. But if you have the right tools and information, like historical charts, you can get an edge in the stock market game. That's why, even if the experts are sure of a certain price, I think it's worth looking into all the possibilities, even the unexpected lows that may reveal hidden opportunities. You can get a lot of help from being able to read graphs and history charts. If you can look at past market patterns and trends, you can make smart investment choices and possibly avoid making mistakes that cost a lot of money. For example, if you know how to read charts and spot trends, you can find good times to buy and sell stocks and make smart choices about how to diversify your portfolio. By letting you know about possible risks and opportunities in different parts of the economy, historical trends can help you make changes to your investment strategies. In short, learning how to read graphs and historical charts is a key part of making a successful investment strategy that will ultimately lead to greater financial freedom. Let's imagine what will happen to Tesla in 5 to 10 years. By then, Tesla will have surpassed Apple in value, and I think their profits will have doubled from 2022 to 2023. With an average selling price of $45,000, they should be able to make $25 billion in net profits from selling 2.2 million cars that year. Astoundingly, Cybertrucks will be driving across the country by late 2020s or early 2030s, and there have already been over 1 million pre-orders. EV credits, which are likely the reason behind many of the guesses that will sell over 50,000 vehicles, show that a net income of $25 billion is possible with an operating margin of 25%. Even if the economic downturn lasts until 2023, profits will still reach $25 billion when adding 45 PE. By getting up close and personal with the Cybertruck, people will gain a deep understanding of how useful, easy to use, and overall fun it is. This will likely lead to a rush of orders, similar to what happened with the sexy models, with prices ranging from $44,000 to $74,000. Customers may also be interested in customizing their purchases, potentially leading to an even higher sales price after we approach the next S-curve in 2024. We can expect to see even more advancements in speed, though. There may still be setbacks until at least late 2023, when AI technology has had time to learn from its mistakes. Soon, you'll be able to do more than just listen to your music or watch videos during your commute. Fully autonomous driving is on the horizon, which means you can sit back and relax while your car does the driving. And while there may be some setbacks along the way, I predict that by the middle or end of 2023, AI technology will have advanced enough to make FSD a reality. As a Tesla shareholder, this is exciting news because it means the company is poised to make a lot of money. I believe this is the next big breakthrough for Tesla. And if it happens in the next year or two, it could be a major victory for investors. Get ready for a wild ride because the future of transportation looks more exciting than ever. If regulators give the go-ahead, we could see a huge jump in technological progress that will completely change the way we travel. With Tesla's commitment to meeting customer needs and their plans to build a new gigafactory in Mexico, there could be up to 20 million electric cars on the road by 2030. Fresh Leon. Governor Samuel Garcia said that Tesla is almost done getting all of the necessary permits to build a new gigafactory in Mexico close to the border between the US and Mexico. The company may start making its first cars in Mexico next year. Governor Garcia said that Tesla could start building in March and have its first cars ready by 2024 if everything goes as planned. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, recently announced plans to spend $5 billion in the factory that will make a next-generation electric vehicle. The factory will be the world's largest electric vehicle production facility, but Tesla hasn't said when it will start making the vehicles. Tesla said it would have a buyback plan in 2023 no matter what the economy did. We're excited about the future of the company and want to be a part of it by buying Tesla stock. This is a clear sign that Tesla will continue to make big steps forward, even though it faces challenges. It looks like the company will be able to reach its goal of making 20 million vehicles by the end of the decade or soon after. What are buybacks? What is the point of a buyback? Why would a company do this? There are a few reasons. First, buybacks can lower the number of existing shares on the market, which can raise the value of the remaining shares. Metrics for money, like profits per share EPS and return on equity ROE, show that second-place companies may do buybacks to return capital to owners. By lowering the number of outstanding shares, the EPS will go up, which will make the remaining shares more valuable. Finally, buybacks can show the market that a company is optimistic about its future growth and thinks its stock is undervalued. This can help keep the stock price from dropping too low. For example, Tesla's recent announcement of a buyback of $5 billion to $10 billion shares showed that the company believes in its future and is willing to invest in itself. The market will also know from this that Tesla thinks its stock is undervalued and wants to return capital to its owners as a whole. Buybacks can be good for both the company and its owners in a number of ways. Thanks for watching Wall Street Rise. We hope you enjoyed our look at Tesla's future horizons and why it might be a good investment. As always, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications to make sure you don't miss our latest videos with investment tips and advice. We're sure you can become a smart investor and reach financial freedom. Watch out for more interesting posts. And until next time, happy buying.